Malaria. You see, before you can be talking of treating malaria, treating it effectively, one must get to the root of the cause. What is causing it must be known. What is causing it must be known. See, this present belief that is mosquito that is causing malaria is very, very misleading. And you can a study where you put 10 people in a room exposed to mosquito, and they did not all develop malaria. So what happened in that circumstance? So it is not mosquito that is the culprit whenever you are talking about malaria. Listen and listen very well. The laws of the Almighty, the laws of creation, they are very, very perfect. Every organ you see in the human body has its own innate biofrequency. And once the frequency is resonating at the appropriate level, no disease can assail that particular organ. But the moment the frequency begins to drop, the body will be giving you signals. It could be headache, it could be body pain, it could be inner weakness. Then you know that something is wrong somewhere. Then you now go and take action. Why are you accusing my mosquito of being the cause of malaria? It is not mosquito. Now, if you are talking about what we call malaria today, look at the symptoms. Maybe headache, body weakness, nausea, inability to sleep properly, that's insomnia, and so on and so forth. Yeah. When you have all these symptoms, it simply shows that some organs in the system are already functioning below capacity. That is what you should look for. That is what you should check for. The 10 people that were kept in a room, if you check all of them, you notice that those ones that develop malaria in food are those that the frequency of the organs have dropped, or they have begun to drop. So when you discover this, then you will now know how to treat it effectively. You continue accusing mosquito. That's why you treat malaria. People come to the clinic, they will tell you, I've been treating malaria repeated every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I treat malaria. Then when I came to your hospital, we only treated it once, and that was all. So what could be the reason? We are not running after any mosquito. We only target the organs that are faulty, and then try to bring them back to their resonance, the resonating frequency that is supposed to be the radiation that is supposed to resonate in. Once you can get them there, then that is all. Now, before you can do that, you must know what is it, or what are those factors that are responsible for lowering the frequency of the organs. And one of them is toxins. When the body is saturated with toxins, definitely the organs begin to dwindle in their activity, and the body will begin to give signal. The brain begin to give signal, which we call malaria. Now, talking about treatment, it then means that you have to look for a particular herb, or some combination of herbs that can detoxify effectively, that can detoxify the body effectively. So when you do that and you take toxins out of the system, the frequency of the organs will now rise to the normal level, and that will be the end of the so-called malaria. So talking about this particular, or these herbs that can achieve this, they are very simple. They are known, from prehistoric time. Who doesn't know that Neem, Dogonyaro is very effective for malaria? The lack of mango leaf, apart from being good for malaria, is also very fantastic for building the immune system. Moringa came recently and joined them. Bitterleaf, people don't know that bitterleaf is very, very fantastic for treating malaria. So all these simple things, you can combine them, and when you take them, you are not killing Plasmodium falciparum. You are raising the frequency of the organs, and when you successfully do that, you can be sure that the so-called malaria will pack its baggage and disappear. The same goes for typhoid. You are told typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. You see, you can only discover pathogenic organism in an organ that the frequency has dropped to a particular level, whereby this particular organism is now able to take on form. That is how it is within the laws of creation. So it's not different. All you need to do is to raise the frequency of the organs, and then the so-called Salmonella typhi will become imperceptible, and then you have successfully cured typhoid. If you want to add the treatment, you want to treat typhoid, then the bark of pineapple is very, very effective. Now, peel the back, boil with garlic. Boil it with garlic. It's even delicious. And I can assure you, it's the best typhoid treatment because the taste is very palatable. So children like it, adults like it, and nobody will take it and say they don't want to take it again. And by taking it, you are raising the frequency of some organs, and that is how to treat any disease effectively. See you next time on Ask Dr. Shaye.